Hello everybody, welcome back to my video. How's your life today? Okay, I hope you very well guys. And today's here I am as your teacher. I want to teach you some topic today's. But actually, I hope you guys pay attention to my video or to my slide, and I hope you watch my video until finish this video. Okay, and don't forget to like my video, or maybe you share to your friends, and then maybe you subscribe my channel. Okay, and here we are discuss about some topic that I want to show you in my slide. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy my video, and let's check it out in my first slide. Okay, in my first slide there's word, simple past tense. Have you ever learned or have you ever hear about simple past tense before? I hope you must understand, you ever learned it. This is this topic today. But actually here we just review or give yes, to discuss more about simple past tense. And even though my video is not very clearly for you, but I hope you got what I say to you, what I say and what I explain to you. Thank you. Okay, next slide. What is it? Okay, we must understand simple past tense is a part of 16 tenses. In 16 tenses, there's simple present, present continuous, perfect, perfect continuous, and then simple past, past continuous. There's future and past future. Okay, but here we just focus on one point. There's simple past tense. Okay guys, simple past tense. Yes, we know that simple past it means something in the something that happened, maybe something that happened in the past, but actually complete in that time. Okay, something happened in the past and complete at the time. Okay, yeah, there is explanation for me from me about simple past tense. Yeah. Okay, and here when we want to use a sentence based on simple past tense, we must understand there's three verb. What verb we use in simple past tense? Hello guys, what verb? I give you 5 seconds. Is it verb 2 or verb 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you're right. We are use verb 2. There is maybe you say you can see example in my slide. There's eat, and in verb 2 we change eat to ate, and verb 3 eaten. But we not discuss about verb 1 or verb 2 or verb 3. Okay, we just discuss what is it simple past tense, and what kind of what part simple past tense, and what is it simple past tense. Okay, but actually you must understand in simple past, even though not simple or what is it, you must when you find verb in verb 2, is it actually is it simple past or past gitu. Okay, here about explanation about simple past tense. As what I say before, simple past tense is something that happened in the past and clearly in the time, or completely in the time. Same what in my slide. simple past tense, we use simple past tense to talk about things, or what something that had happened at a specific time in the past. Okay, you must understand something that had happened at the specific time in the past. Okay, you must understand this point. Simple past tense we use is talking about something or things and that had happened at a specific time in the past, and show action that occurred and was completed at a particular time in the past. Yes, same what I said before. Simple past tense is talking about something that happened and completely in the past. Next, we are okay, guys. Here, there's two to be in simple past tense, but actually we must understand when was we use and when were we use, and what subject we can use both of these to be. Okay, and to this I explain to you there's was we can use if there's subject I, she, or he and it. I, she, he, it. You can see from my slide. And when we want to use to be verb, actually we can use verb to be verb in subject you, we, they. Okay, you can make a simple sentence by yourself, and next we get it, the formula. You must what I say, you must where's your mistakes to make a simple sentence based on simple past tense. Okay, actually simple past and past perfect simple is have a similarity, but here the difference of both of these tenses. In simple past, second column use second column in irregular verbs, or maybe we call verb to. And how about past perfect? Past perfect we use had plus third column in irregular verbs. Yes, you must understand. Third column of irregular verbs, commonly we call it verb 3. You can see from the example. In simple past, I worked, and in past perfect, I had worked. Okay, there's a difference to use had. In past we not use had, but actually in past perfect we added had. Okay, regular verbs form of have plus infinitive plus ed. Okay, next. Okay, have you a simple sentence before? Okay, alright, here I show you the formula to make a simple sentence based simple past tense. Okay, we call in bahasa rumus ya. Okay, you can see a formula in left, and right is example. Okay, in positive sentence we use a formula. There's two formula. Okay, there's two formula. First is we use a verb, but actually in first point is what I say, a nominal. Okay, verbal. Okay, in first formula in positive sentence is what we can call nominal, yeah. Okay, we can call nominal. And the second point or second formula of positive sentence is subject plus be. Oh, I'm sorry, I give you a mistake. I give okay, sorry. In first point, when we use verb to or past tense, is it talking about verbal, and in second formula is talking about nominal because we use there to be. We can see the differences in example. The first, the teacher came, and the second, I was a stamp collector. Same in negative sentence. There's two formula to make a negative sentence. There's subject plus did, plus not, plus bare infinitive. This is talking the first formula, as I said before, is a verbal formula, and the second is a nominal formula. Okay, you can read the example, yeah. Okay, guys. Then interrogative sentence. Same in positive and negative sentence. There's two formula where there's two formula. First is to verbal formula, and the second nominal formula. You must remember, when we use verb to make a simple past tense sentence, we call it verbal, and when we use to be, was, and were in simple past tense in sentence, we call it nominal. Okay, remember it. Okay. Next, time expression of simple past tense. Okay, signal time of simple past tense. There's so many signal time of past tense, but actually I just give you some example or some what of signal time of simple past tense. Okay, guys. First is yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, evening. Okay, we can see example. There's I visited my friend yesterday at 5 p.m. First signal time of to make a simple sentence, we must use yesterday, or maybe next, last. Also signal time in simple past tense. Last Saturday, last night, last week, last January, last year. Okay, and you can see the example. My father and I cooked special dishes this week. Okay, next, ago. As I said before, ago, something that happened and past and completely in the past. 1 minute ago, 1 hour ago, 10 weeks ago is a signal time of simple past. Past date, month, year, or past event. There is a part of signal time of simple past. There is some example on January 12th. Okay, on my last birthday, and up to actually always, usually, frequently, often, and of frequency. Okay, what does it mean? What it means? Okay, we can see of the example. Yes, once upon a time there lived a poor widow. There's some example about this signal time. Next, okay, here regular and irregular verb. Actually, there's differences of two kinds, regular and irregular verb. Maybe I can explain for you, but we have yes, you can read my slide. Okay, guys, you can read, and yes, we continue to the next video, because my videos have done, because my video have a time 15 minutes, and I will continue to the next video. Okay, bye.